Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update NCBA Bank app, whether you are using NCBA Now or NCBA from your country, such as NCBA Uganda. Then let me show you how you can update this app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to update your NCBA mobile banking app, you need to look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Play Store, and therefore I'll go to Google Play here. So look for this app and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you can search for your app. So I just search the app by name NCBA and then run the search here. And as you can see, we have our NCBA Now app is here. If I tap on it, we can now proceed and update it. So because I had an outdated version, it means I've been missing out on some of the features. And by updating this will not only make it have the latest features, but also improve security as well as performance. Once the app has been downloaded, it will be installed, and from here you can proceed and start using the latest version of NCBA mobile banking app by just tapping on open here. So that's how you can get the latest version of NCBA mobile bank app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.